Hey everyone, it's me, Danny Defreitas, and I'm here with Superdrug, and I want to show you how I created this crystal skull look. Okay guys, so to start off our skull look, we're gonna go straight into base, and I'm using the Revolution Pro foundation drops, and I'm going in with a shade that's quite light because we're going for a skull look, you know, and we're just gonna dab, dab, dab. The top half of my face, I want quite white, so I'm gonna focus this base kind of on the lower half. So the next step is going to be to outline our skull. So I'm going to go in with the MUA Intense Color in Jet Black. You basically want to do 2 lines going up and then see where your cheekbones are, and you basically want to go just kind of on it. The sharper the better, okay? Like your skeleton contour. So I'm going to start off and go up and then take it around there. Once you have this super cute moustache look, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is gonna be a white skull base. I'm gonna go in with the NIP+FAB white mixer. All right, so with the same sponge, we're gonna go straight in. And the trick here is to try and keep it above the line. Alright guys, so I want my skull look to be extra white, so I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Loose Powder just to kind of set it and do one more layer of white foundation. So next up, I found this powder. It's a loose powder by MUA. It's called Prism Loose Powder Highlight, and this is in shade Star Illusion, and it's really, really cute because it has a slight iridescence to it. So I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush, and then I'm literally just gonna pack that on. I just think that makes your flat skull just look so much more multi-dimensional. So next up, for the eyes and all the details, I'm gonna go in with the MUA Cosmic Vixen eyeshadow palette. Mainly, I'm gonna use the kind of deeper purple tones. I'm gonna go in with the darkest color first. Alright, so next up I'm going with a lighter tone, and I'm just using a slightly more fluffy brush. For added drama, I'm going to go again with the darker shade, and I'm going to go underneath the eyes. And again with the lighter pink shade to blend that one out. Okay, so now using the same brush and the same pink shade, I just want to add some touches which I wouldn't normally do to an eye makeup look. So I'm just going to take that product and just create a little bit more of a kind of moody frown. And I'm also going to give myself slightly tired kind of creases going down here. I'm also going to go with that darker shade and just take it on the inside temples, kind of where your brows are. I'm still going to use that pink color and just slightly contour my nose, make it super snatched. Also, with those same 2 shades, I'm just going to go in around the kind of forehead area. Again, it doesn't have to be too neat, but I normally go around about here and then blend it back into the hairline. And then we're going to go in with the pink again, just to kind of soften that. Okay, so next up we're gonna go back to that line that we drew in. I'm gonna move back to the eyes and just finish them off. I'm gonna use a black pencil and a little bit of eyeshadow and something very special. I'm just gonna use my finger for this. No brushes required, and I'm going in for this really nice middle orangey shade. Next step is going to be mascara. Today I'm going to use the MUA Eye Define Mascara. It's just black and it has a really nice defined wand. I'm gonna wear my lashes. So for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the MUA Luxe lip colors in shade Kooky and also Curious, and I'm gonna create a little bit more of a ombre lip. So to complete the look, I'm gonna go in with these face jewels from Gypsy Shrine and basically just mix it up, you know, just improvise. What I love about these is that you literally just peel them off and stick them on. But for my brows and for my lips, I'm gonna be using lash glue just to help me stick them on and so they last. Alright, so that is the finished look for today. I hope you guys absolutely loved it. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you guys can do it. And keep tuned because there's loads more Halloween videos to come.